Hey everyone, it's Justin here. I want to take a few minutes and walk you through how to bulk edit your devices in our AssetRemix asset management system. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to filter this out by a few devices I have. All right, as soon as you've done this, you can go through and there's two things you can do. You can either check this box right here. It's going to select all the devices that you have filtered down to, or if you're looking for very specific devices, you can go through and check on those individually. All right, as soon as you've made your decision on which devices you're going to bulk edit, we're going to go ahead and click this box, hit the bulk edit button. It's going to pull in all that information. All right, the first things I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here and change a few of these funding sources. All right, I'm going to change a couple of these to undeployable. And on top of that, I'm going to change a few of these to different locations. All right, as soon as you've made all the changes you need to do, go ahead and hit the save button. It's going to update that information for you, take you back to this assets home screen. All right, for more tips on how to manage your assets, please check out the links below.